So, I got a box. I figured I'd do a video because I know what's in the box. Although I never actually saw it. You know, because this is, I know what's in here. But anyway, there's going to be bonuses in here, or so they said. We'll find out. Is there bonuses? No, I don't really care. This is the sign I won during the Ketchup stream. Like 3 months ago, they finally sent it. But they did send it here. Priority mail. So I got it. They sent it out, I think, Monday. Today's Thursday, or Tuesday, actually. I think she sent it out. Anyway, let's open it up. I never actually saw the sign. He was talking about it during the stream and how his fancy printer printed it. So let's see what the sign looks like. Dough! That is a roll of Ripcord Red. Zombie. My hands are backwards. Holy crap. Thank you, guys. You didn't have to do that. I was digging them to send me, actually. Anyway, I appreciate it. It's awesome. I figured they'd send me. I said, like, you got a half a roll you burn through, send me that. But that's awesome. Thank you. Ripcord Red. I'm going to have to. I keep doing that backwards because it's backwards on my screen. Ripcord. That way. Now it's shiny. Red PLA. For some reason they crossed out the color of the red. Maybe it's an off color. I don't care. I kind of like it. It's a nice color. Nice color red. Zombie Zone! That is awesome. That really is awesome, too. He was talking about that printer, and I'm still not 100% sure how it works and what's special about it. I know it's not like dye sub or any of that kind of crap. It's like a special kind of application thingy. Cool. Gonna hang it up over here. I'll take a picture of it over there once it's hung. So awesome. It's like metal. It's a ketchup bottle. That's awesome. Sorry for the delay. Hopefully it was worth the wait. Your Ketchy family. It's totally worth the wait. There was no rush. Honestly, I was kind of having fun with picking on you. So, there it is. Cool. Thanks, Ketchy.